Hello again, solo board gamers. This is again Rico of Solo Board Gamer ng Tundo. Last time we played using characters Wolverine, Hulkin, and Deadpool. Unfortunately, the combination of those three is not well suited, and thematically Deadpool is not part of the resistance group. Since Civil War is registration group composed of heroes and villains, and resistance group composed also of heroes and villains against each other. So this is a time when uh, some of the mutants, heroes and villains, which uh, not not aligned or not not agreed on the registration. So registration is time when the government wanted all humans, inhumans, mutants to be registered. This was maybe at the time it's like a data privacy. They don't like this because when government knows information about you, too much information is about you. It doesn't. It's not good. Okay. So enough of that history. So right now I have a combination of Wolverine, Nick Fury, and also Hulkin. Hulkin is Kree, and Wolverine X-Men, and Nick Fury is a former Agent Shield. My last campaign, Agents of Shield, Nick Fury, this leave Shield, leaving Maria Hill aside. He doesn't like the politics what is happening on Shield. However, okay, let's play now. So, a start of this game. So, as a setup for Iron Man, we need to search an encounter deck for a attachment, and the team reveals it. So, so, okay. The Mark B helmet. So, this gives him one stop status and makes him a stalwart. Okay, we start with Wolverine. So, 6 cards. We look on his cards. Upgrade. This is okay. I'll go with this one. Yep. Let's now look for covert, support, upgrade. This is quite challenging. Okay. And Hulkin, which has only 5 cards. This is okay. But the problem with this one is too expensive. Okay. Okay, so we start at round one. Starting with Logan. So I play this Berserker Fury. Yeah. I'll pay with the Berserker Barrage thing. That's okay. I'll pay it with this one. Out of my way. Then I convert to Wolverine. And then I pay 2 for damage. Yeah. I don't think so. Wait. I'll just give him this one. Yeah. Just to remove the top status. And thwart to remove 2 here. Oh, maybe 2 here. hmm Maybe 2 here will do. We must balance. Yep. Okay. I'll pay this and this to have this one. Mm-hmm. I also play this. Then set up to this one. Nick Fury. So remove threat. Uh-huh. Well, I could remove one more. Okay. I remove threats to there. So leaves me 2. And one will be placed here. And then remove all of this. And that ends my turn. So here, Tony Altman. Four. Hmm. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I better go with this. Yeah. I don't like another encounter card. That's for sure. Mm-hmm. If I cast this one, 3. Okay, I'll cast this one. Wait. Okay. I thwart for 1. Then I cast this using Hellfire as okay. Choose a player. He chooses me. I'll pay. And then cast this one. This was removed because of my ability. I exhaust this to use the mana, the resource, and play another one to pay this one. So 4 is removed there. I don't need to change in alter ego. Another thwart. So this one is removed. When defeated. Huh. Enemy search for encounter deck again. Okay. Getting harder and harder than I thought. He can now threat. Okay. Refresh, please. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I have? Okay. Refresh. Here 5. What do I have? Okay. Okay. Here 5 again. What do I have? Hmm. Okay. Okay, that ends the player phase. So now enemy phase. Okay. He will attack Wolverine. I would defend. So that's 2 defense. Or else I'll take the damage. Okay, that's 1 plus 1 damage plus 2. That's 3 damage. 1, 2, 3. Draw a card. Okay, because of this one, he will scheme. We have 3 plus. Oh, that is 5. And place 1 threat of that one. Okay. Here, he will attack. I could defend. So, attack 1 plus. So, no damage. Place 1 threat on the scheme. So, that's for the... Okay. First one, treachery. Okay, so when it reveals a treachery, place 1 threat. Another threat. Level 22. I'll cancel that threat. When you reveal the villain scheme. So that's 1, 2, 3, 5 again. Yes, 17. 4 to go. Treachery. Venom come. Activate against me. He will scheme instead. So we have 18 already. He is confused. And that's it. First player, go here. Okay. Now let's see what we can do. Okay. Let's do Berserker Barrage. I'll go with Berserker Barrage. He will request for my ability. So that's 1, 2. Paying for that. That's 4. From this guy. This is killed. I received 2 damage. And from this guy. This is killed. Okay. Now I'll pay 2. Remove 3 threats. Come back to me. Okay. I pay 2 here. So this one. Activate this one. Remove 2 threats from the scheme. You instead from replace that threat on your. Remove 2 threat. Scheme. -2 again. 1. Too many. Too many schemes. He schemed too much. I think I must remove one of his armor. Okay. Hulkin. Okay. Uh, I'll pay this one, Genius. And for this, okay. Well, I can do. I'll pay one here, and this one will be okay. And then I could get that one again to my hand, and I could play this one. This will be removed. So I could thwart. I could thwart just to remove his, and then play this again to have 3 defense. Yeah, think that should do it. Or, I could do this way. Uh, mm-hmm. Let me review what I have done. Hmm. Yeah, I think this is a much more better approach. I'll attack him for 1, 2. Yeah, to remove one of his threat. I'll pay this one. I think that's much more better. Okay. Before I do that, I will ask Wolverine to pay for the fusillade. Wolverine will use the Hell Carrier. Okay. Then this one will be exhausted. That's 5 damage here. That is removed. Then I'll attack singly to pay for this one. Think that's much more better. So now Wolverine is on my side. I think I'll use him just to remove threat. And then I'll exhaust him. Is it right? Is it good now to... Yeah, I think so. Now, let's refresh our cards. I'll go with this one. Yeah. And Hulkin. Event. Okay. Logan will have additional 5. This will be removed because I flipped to alter ego. And that's it for the player's phase. Let's go now to the villain's phase. So, the Eternal Tree for this one. Yes, now 11, actually 12. Here. He will scheme instead. Here's already 7. That's 1 plus... Reveal this card. Oh, ho, 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 ho. It's okay. That's 2. So, his attack now is plus 2. Next. He will attack. I will defend. So, that will be 1, 2, 3. So, he attacks me for 1, 2, 4. That's, okay. Okay, here now. When enemy attacks, deal damage to equal. I will use this for now. And Faye Jocasta. When an enemy attacks, deal damage to each equal to your defense. So I have 1, 3. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And when an enemy attacks, deal damage equals to your defense. Give Hulkin a top status card. Okay, so he will attack me for what? It was prevented by top damage. I have retaliation, so another damage, and that's it. Next, scheme. So he has 2. That's 4. That's 15 again on his side. Brutal. The enemy team attached this card to a minion of their leader. When attached card would take any amount of damage from attack. Prevent this. Okay. Prevention. Again, it is not a treachery. I can't not use this one. Minion. Life model decoy. So he has technically 2 lives. Last. The villain discard gain surge. Discard, upgrade, or support you control. Okay. Okay, so let's go with this. Okay, I'll pay this one too to change this. Then I'll attack Maria Hill, so that will be prevented. And then I need 2 more. The problem, I don't have enough cards. Let's go with Logan. I play now this one. Oh, search your library and put into play. I'll go first with assault training. Yeah, it's not needed for now. I will exhaust that and shuffle 1 Wolverine card. I'll go with this one. Put it back here. I think the much more better option is this one, I think. It's too expensive. Okay, heal first. That's 10. Ready, Logan. I'll pay this one. I could not cast. To deal Berserker Barrage 4. Then I'll take 2 damage. Again, 4 here. Key. And 14. Wait. That's 5. Reduce him to 9. 13. I could kill him right now. Okay, let's kill Iron Man. This is 3. Let me think. 2, 5 plus 4, 9. Not enough. Get these 2. 3 threats. I'll pay for this. Use 2 threats. Wait. No. What I could do, attack him to remove this one with basic attack and pay. I pay for this to remove this one. Yeah, I could not do anything. Actually, it's technically very strong in making threats. Okay, I think that it is. Let's refresh the cards. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for justice. Uh, yep, this will go. Okay, villain phase. So that's 5:15 now. And he will attack. Will I defend? Is it worth defending? Yeah, powerful punch. I will defend 2. He will deal 4 damage to that enemy. 2, 3, 4. And then, after you play event, exhaust wings, shape, and reveal. That was an event. 2 threats. 3. I defend. So that's 1. So he attacks me, nothing happens. I defended this 1 attack. Okay. That's 1. That's 4 damage done to him. Should I defend? I'll take. So that's 1. That's 2. I cannot. Okay. Scheme. That's 1. Plus 3. That's 16 now. Encounter. Okay. Change to assault suit. Choose to either take 1 damage to each threat. This card gains suit. Otherwise, choose to either take 1 damage for each threat on suit, form, or gate, or remove each threat from your. In either case, discard this card. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'll take 4. I'll take 4 damage. It's okay. Then discard this card. Next scheme. Place 1 threat. And another threat because that was the first treachery. Another one. Okay, this I'll use discard 1 and remove 1 threat. So this won't happen. Okay. You have hurted me. You hurt me. I'll pay for these 2 cards to summon this. Remove 3 threats. And then I will scheme Then I will return this for now. Okay, next. I will use 2 to remove 4. Mm-hmm. 6, 7, 8. Oh. Four again. I attack for 5. 3 threats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's down to 5 now. I can change to stealth mode here. I can use this one. So I take play event. Okay. Okay, so let's refresh our cards. One, two, three, four, five, 6. I have 6. Refresh. Here, I will have 5 more. Okay, fresh. I need that car. And this one will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will give him absolute damage. Okay. Again, I'll give him 3. Scheme. That's 1 plus. That's another 3. Scheme again. That's 1 plus. Huh. This is too much. It is always 3. That's already 14. Attack. I'll defense. Okay. So that's 1 plus. But before that, I will use this one to pay. So deal 4 damage. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this one, it only defends for 2? I got 1. Max player while his remaining hit points are equal to the great. Oh, there's no retaliate. But I played an event, so that will remove 2. And okay, that's all. This is a problem with Holkin. All his powers are very, very expensive. He has only 5 cards in hand. Is this a treachery? Is a treachery? Discard and upgrade or support your control. If no cards were discarded this way, this. Oh, I'll discard this one because it will return afterwards. Ah! No. Okay, so this was not okay. This will be discarded. Okay. It's only on setup. Mm-hmm. This +1 again. Aha! You have stop status card. It's getting interesting that I thought. I have to pay this one. So I have now 14. That's plus, I have now 12. Okay. What should I do? Or, what I could do is this. I will not cast this. Too expensive for now. I will not heal. So let's go back to 6. I'll have a basic attack to remove the top status card. And I'll pay for maybe this and this one. That will remove this. Oh. And he will retaliate for 1. Then I would borrow Hell Carrier. Wait. Why his turn? No. I got it the wrong way. Let's go with top first before I plan. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, that's the plan first. I will not yet. Okay. Let's go with 6. Yeah. Let's go with 6 first. Nick Fury. I recover. Or, instead of recovering, I'll just use this one. An alter ego. I exhaust. Just to heal 2. That's enough for Nick Fury. And then threat. So remove two threats. Then use this one to pay. Will come back to me. That two threats is now place one of those threats here. Okay. This one of threats. Okay, and then I'll remove two more, paying that one, and that's it. This will return to my hand. Not now. It's not good for. Okay, Hulkin. I'll cast this one for alter ego. I will not change for now. This now is for. Okay, I attack. Just remove this one. Okay. Then I'll pay this for this, but I will receive one damage, and I can also pay this and this. Yeah, just to remove these attachments. Then I'll borrow Hell Carrier to give me 9 healing. Okay, I think that's all. Refresh cards. Only 3. Okay. So this will be removed. Refresh card 5. Give me good cards. You will be totally killed right now. Refresh. Refresh. 5 cards. Okay. This is removed. Villain face. That's 3 again. He will scheme. That's 1 plus 3. So state place 1. I forgot to put here. Okay. He will attack this. I would defend for 1, 2. Okay. But I will cast this one. Impersonator. Or this one, I think so. I need a impersonator. And then, that's 4 damage to him. That's 4. Okay. Let's resolve first. What will happen? Since this is removed. 2. 2. It was again. So the first Iron Man is killed. Then this will go. He has now steady. So Iron Man could not take any damage, and he will have 30, 48. And he was defeated. All of us will have 1 encounter. Okay. I will accept the damage. Yes. So that's 1. And then Maria Hill's not in play. Encounter. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is brutal. Okay, let's go first resolving Nick Fury. Strategy. When revealed alter ego, Iron Man. When revealed Iron Man attacks you, he must take attachment. This attack gains piercing. He will attack me. Instead, he will not attack me. That's because that's the first treachery. He will scheme. That's 1 plus nothing. Because this was scheme, when an enemy would attack you, the scheme step place 1 threat from that activation. Okay, since this one's already she has now 13. Next one. What is it this time? Oh, yellow jacket, toughness. Next. Hellcat. Quick strike. The meaning of quick strike is he will attack me. For 2. Okay. 1, 2. You're stunned, and if you're already stunned, take 2 damage. I'm stunned. Meaning, I could not attack. He has now plus 2. This cat is now 5. Okay. Shape. Last card. US agent. Retaliate 1. Toughness. And that ends for the villain phase. Okay, I think we'll take a break from now. It's Iron Man phase 2. So we'll continue again. This maybe later today or maybe on the other day. To finish off Iron Man. Actually, on my assessments, it's not quite good for now. based on this one, it looks like the threat is too much for me to handle until Nick Fury's car come out. Ah, doesn't come out today. So I hope we can stand. And there's too many nemesis out, and almost all of them has these are two top. We'll deal it one by one later. And again, that's it for now. So we'll take a break. So see you again next session. And again, this is Rico of Solo Board Gaming of Tundo saying goodbye for now.